So you have a isosceles triangle, okay, and you know that this length is the same as this length. These two lengths are the same, and of course you do know that the length here is given by 19 minus x, and on this side here is given by 3x minus 5, and the bottom here is just 2x. And of course you do know that this angle at the bottom will be equal to this angle also at the right bottom. And here our primary focus here is to work out the perimeter for this shape. So that is the goal. What's gonna be the perimeter? Alright, but first and first, I think we know that this leg and this leg are the same. They have the same equal length because they are isosceles triangle. And of course I can equate them to form an equation. So I know that 3x minus 5 is equals to 19 minus x. And of course I can add x on both sides. So this is going to be 3x plus x. And also add 5 on both sides. That's 19 plus 5. And of course if I simplify this, is going to give me 4x. And 19 plus 5 is 24. And of course from here I think I can divide by 4 straight on. So x definitely will be 6. Okay, so I already know what x will be. Okay, so I can easily work out what 2x certainly will be, because 2 times x, which is 6, will give you 12. And 19 minus 6, again remember x is 6, 19 minus 6 is 13. And of course definitely, since this length and this length are the same, definitely this should also be 13. Now I can easily work out the perimeter quite easily now. Okay, so the perimeter should have to be 13 plus 13 plus 12. And of course we add 13 and 13, that's 26, and then add it to 12, that's going to be 38. Of course that's going to be in centimeter. Okay, and pretty easy, kind of straightforward to the point. Now if you have any question, please leave them for me in the comment section. Okay, thank you.